In this video, I will tell you how to get rid of bedbugs permanently with home remedies. Phantom itches, dread, panic, and paranoia are the usual reactions to the mention of bedbugs. Easy to get and difficult to get rid of. Bedbugs can become the bane of your existence. But instead of throwing out your mattress and random furniture, you just need to understand the way of the bedbugs in order to successfully banish them. Bedbugs are blessed with a lifespan of 6 to 12 months, which is solely dedicated to sucking your blood and reproducing. They become full grown in 21 days, and an adult female can lay up to 5 eggs daily. What's more, they can actually survive for months without food. Don't worry, in this video I will tell you how to get rid of bedbugs permanently. To make this remedy, first thing you will need is baking soda. Baking soda absorbing the surface floors on the waxy layer of a bedbug shell and cause them to dehydrate. It is also thought that the small granules of baking soda can cut into a bedbug shell and cause internal bleeding. Just add 1 part of baking soda. Next thing is Diatomaceous Earth. Diatomaceous Earth is one of the most effective non-contact measures that can be taken against most bugs, including bedbugs. DE is mined from the fossilized remains of diatoms, which are essentially microbic plants. When the bedbugs come in contact with this soft, powdery dust, it makes laceration in their exoskeletons and hydrates them, eventually killing the little buggers. Just add 1 part of Diatomaceous Earth. Mix well both ingredients well. Sprinkle all the area where you think the bedbugs are. Comment below and tell me what you think about this video. I would love to hear from you. Thank you.